Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy HQ. Today we're doing a bit of a mail call. So we received this package. We'll get in and have a look. Well, all packaged up. In here we've got some Uncle Steve's shakes from the BBQ Talks Chat Show. This is the original. And we've also got some sweet, the spicy R as well. So we'll be using them in some future videos. And it says, greetings from across the pond y'all. That's Texas. So we've got some of them. We've also received some stickers, which will give you a shout out. So first of all, it's the sound of sizzle, and these are from Germany. Next one is Rich at Raw Dogs Barbecue. Next one is Timmerman's Barbecue. We've got Fire for Friends. We've got Dave at Smithy's Smoke Shack. Rude Smoke King. And we've got Craig at Beyond the Garage Barbecue. And just to let you all know, we've got a new Dutchy cooking sticker. And we've got more Dutchy cooking merchandise coming out. So all these stickers, they'll be going on my tailgate box that we use for the tailgates. If you want a sticker from us, just email us at dutchy.cooking@gmail.com. This was their fucking sticker.
If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.